Good morning, children. Hey, what's up? Fine? Okay, you alright? Okay. Anyway, let it be good. Okay. So today we are going to study about after our all topics. So from that our all topics from the textbook. Now we are going to enjoy the stories of the supplementary textbook. Okay, 5 more stories are left, right, for the second semester. So we are going to finish all the stories. We are going to enjoy the stories. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So as a part of that, for the sixth topic, okay, which is the first topic of second semester, I want something in a cage. I want something in a cage. Okay. Do you like the things, okay, the animals or birds to be kept in a cage? How many of you like? How many of you don't like? Okay. Actually, yes. Let me ask you that. Now it's a corona situation. Okay, how many days you will sat at your home, okay, without going anywhere? What did you feel when you were sitting at your home without going anywhere, without doing or without okay, if you cannot go out, it's really boring, right? Okay, it's like you are in a closed or something. Okay, you don't have freedom, huh? You felt like that sometimes, right? Yes. So then let me ask you that, what about if you keep these animals or birds in a cage, closed cage? They also are living things. They also have life. They also have feelings. But they cannot talk. They cannot they express like we people. We can express. Okay, suppose that when we are inside a cage or something like, at least, okay, we trapped in somewhere, we can at least call, or we can do some we can call for help. But what about that those animals or birds? Have you ever thought from their side? No, that's a problem. We don't think about from others, we only think about from us. I am. I am. We only think that I am. I am the great. I am always big. Okay. No one is. Okay. No, other people are machines or slaves or something like that. I am only the human being. I have feelings. I have only a pain. Okay. No other thing, living things have pain or they don't have any. Okay. They are like my slaves. Okay. Whenever you go somewhere. Okay. Like whenever you go to a hotel or somewhere, okay, you just you have lots of money, okay, so that's why you just wanted to taste something. Whenever you got it, okay, you didn't like it, just throwing that and scolding the people. There you think that only you are there, but just you think that they are also living things. If you don't like that, if you don't want that, why do you spend that much money? Why do you waste that food when the people are starving in our India itself? Okay, still, yes, still people are starving. Still the people are searching for the food in the waste heap with the stray dogs. Can you imagine that situation? That you are searching for the food in a waste heap with the stray dogs. Can you imagine that situation? No, you cannot. We cannot. But still, people are suffering like that. In our India, in our India. At the same time, what we do, what we think, we only the human being, we have only pain, feelings, pain, all. We don't care about others. Yes. So, so I want something in a cage. Yes. So that's the feeling. Those animals or those birds, they also have feelings. Whenever you keep them in the cage, just make them free. If they like you, if they love you, they will be there only. They will not go anywhere. Otherwise, if they want to go wherever they want, let them go. Let them be free. Why do you keep them in a cage? So this story is related to that. Okay, a person, he felt that feeling of being in a cage or prison. Then whenever he came back, he just bought a couple of doves, okay, doves, and he just set them free. That's the story about. Okay, let's move to the story. Okay, so today I'm not giving you question answer. To question answer we will do tomorrow, and this is a small topic. Okay, we will finish it within like within half an hour we will finish it. Okay, that much small topic. Okay, I'm giving you summary, that's why. Okay, I'm giving you only summary. Okay, so yes, let's move. Mr. Parcel owned a pet shop. Okay, means he was the owner of a pet shop. Okay, pet shop means you know that in that pet shop what kind of different kinds of animals, birds, creatures are there. Creatures means living things. Okay, he sold cats and dogs and monkeys. Okay, he sold cats, dogs and monkeys. He also sold fish, food, and bird seed. Okay, not only that. Okay, even because we know that whenever we buy the fish or buy the birds, we need to give them special food. Okay, so this person, Purcell, he sold the fish food as well as bird seed also. Nowadays, that even a dog has a separate food like that. Okay, the birds and other small creatures were closed up in cages. Okay, the birds and other small creatures were closed up in cages. Okay, so we know that. Okay, some birds, doves or parakeet, whatever it is. Okay, or that so whatever other lovebirds. Yes, lovebirds. Yes, that kind of birds are kept it in a cage. Not only that, then kitten, puppy, then other like iguana means you know that chameleon, that kind of big things. Okay, iguana, don't worry, don't scare about that. Okay, even previously, okay, 1 month ago I have seen okay, I was following a person in a Facebook. Okay, he was carrying all kind of birds. Okay, he made a nest like a open air, like that kind of nest. Okay, it was a swimming pool, like that kind of small pool for them. And surrounding, okay, around that made a big, large cage. Okay, large cage, so the birds, they are free to go here, from here to there, that there to here. Even then he bought an iguana. Okay, yeah, that changes their color, but they are not harmless. They eat only grass and plants. Yeah, he especially asked to the pet shop owner that whether they attack the birds and all. No, the pet shop owner, they said that no problem. It's not that kind of thing. Okay, that means that chameleon. Okay, it's not that kind of thing. Okay, it will eat only that plants and leaves. Okay, so that kind of. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, and still it's that's also available. Then what else are available? Then what else? Snakes available. Then rats available, rabbits available. Yes, okay, loads of animals and birds. Okay, yes. So he closed them in cages. Okay, they moved about madly in circles. Okay, they moved because they some we know that some birds or animals, they want to be free. Okay, or that space may not be enough for them. So they some like a parrot and all the things. Okay, they play there inside. Okay, they circle, rotate there. Okay, so they moved about madly. Madly means they wanted to get free. Okay, anyway they moved. Okay, madly means you know that rushly. Okay, yes, they made a lot of noise. Different types of noise. Okay, but Purcell was used to that. Okay, different kinds of noise. Okay, whenever okay, suppose that you start. Okay, you live in that, yeah, you live in Mudol. Okay, you live in Mudol. Okay, and we know that as it is a town, we can hear the sounds of vehicles, lots of vehicles, but still we sleep in that sound, right? That. Okay, means why we are used to it. We are used to this living system, lifestyle. Okay, like that Purcell was used to that system. Okay, okay, because that was his job, that was his business. Okay, so he had to use to it. Okay, yes. Now each morning Purcell sat on a high stool. Okay, high stool means okay, that much height. Okay, we can imagine from that. Okay, he was not that tall. Okay, he was short. Anyway, he sat on a high stool behind the counter means, okay, we can imagine. Yes, from there we can understand that he was not tall, he was short. Yes, and that's why those who are short only, they keep that high stool and sit on that. Okay, yes, he sat on that and behind the counter to read the morning paper. Okay, every day morning he used to read the newspaper by sitting on the high stool behind the counter. Yes, as he read, he smiled and frowned. Okay, as he read, okay, means from what we can understand from this sentence, okay, as he reads, he smiled and frowned. Okay, frowned means like, okay, this kind of expression, that is frowned. Okay, sadness or sorrow. Okay, okay, so from means we can see that he was enjoying reading the newspaper. Okay, whenever we enjoy the newspaper only, without knowing the that surroundings, we smile and we frown. Okay, yes. So he was enjoying reading the newspaper. Then it was a rough day. It was a rough day, not smooth. Okay, not like we can say that sometimes. Okay, if it's not a clear day, or sometimes there's a chance for rain and all the things. It's not a normal day. It may be a rough day. Anyway, so it was a rough day. A fainted wind was blowing. Fainted wind means not that much weak. Okay, strong. Okay, though not that much strong, weak, but wind was there. Okay, wind was blowing. A bell at the door rang whenever a customer entered the shop. Okay, a bell at the door rang whenever a customer entered the shop. That morning it didn't ring. Okay, so he hung a bell on the door. Okay, so whenever the that customer enter that door, that used to touch that bell and used to make the sound. But this morning, means on that morning, it didn't ring. That bell didn't ring. Don't know what's the reason. Anyway, a stranger entered the shop and stood before the owner. The stranger entered. Okay, stranger means unknown person. Okay, who entered inside. Okay, without making the bell's noise. Okay, bell noise, he entered inside and he stood before the owner, means in front of our Purcell, Mr. Purcell. Yes, next time. The man wore a cheap, ill-fitting suit. Okay, the man wore a cheap. Cheap means low cost. Okay, low cost, and ill-fitting means it was not suit for him. Okay, it was not suit for him. So ill-fitting suit. Suit means coat. Okay, suit. You know that. Yes, that's suit. Okay, his hair was cut short. Okay, his hair was cut short. My hair is long. Okay, not like this. Okay, cut short. So long, small size. Okay, then he ran his eyes around at the cages. Okay, he ran means he looked around the cages. Okay, means that's why he ran means make it run. Okay, make our eyes run means he looked all the cages. Okay, cages. Then he said he wanted something in a cage. Okay, he said he wanted something in a cage. He asked something in a cage. Okay, means almost all the things are there in a cage only. Okay, anyway, he wanted something in cage. Okay, but sometimes that they leave some make some birds or animals free to make to display and make others understand that, okay, they are like a pet. Okay, they are not going to leave us, or they will not get set free like that. Okay, so they make some parakeet or that kind of things free without putting it in that cage. Okay, so they make them free. Okay, so he wanted something in a cage. Okay, then something small, a bird, something small. Okay, not big. Okay, something small. It's good if it's a bird. Okay, so he wanted a bird. Then he pointed to a cage which contained 2 white doves. Okay, he pointed. Okay, then by after looking everywhere, he pointed to a cage where that Purcell kept a couple of doves. Couple means 2. Okay, 2 doves. Okay, yes. Yes, Purcell demanded the price $5.50. Okay, Purcell demanded the price $5.50. Okay, but that dollar means we know that how much it is valuable. Okay, so $5.50. Okay, so $1 and okay, half dollar is known as cent. Okay, so 50 cents. Okay, so 5.5. Then the man felt sad. Okay, the man felt sad. Okay, because he might have that much money. Okay, might have. Okay, then he wanted to have those birds, but he had only $5. Okay, he didn't have 50 cents. Okay, he had only $5. Okay, Purcell asked for $5.50. Okay, but 50 cents it was not there with the that person, a stranger. Okay, Purcell finalized the deal and handed the cage to his customer. Okay, anyway, he just accepted because of he might felt sad on that person, stranger. Anyway, so he gave it for $5. Okay, but you know one thing, whenever we go to that okay, that big shops, okay, they don't let us bargain. Okay, they don't reduce the money, fixed price. But whenever we go to any market or somewhere, okay, that sellers, okay, vendors, okay, when we go there, suppose that we okay, in Mudol also, that banana vendors are, okay, banana or some other fruits vendors are there, okay. So whenever we go there, what we do, we ask them how much it is. So they tell that 30 rupees for a dozen, okay, a dozen, okay, 30 rupees. Then you say that 20 rupees. At last they will accept. But do you know one thing? Whenever you buy this fruit for 30 rupees, when okay, you got this for 20 rupees, whenever you go to any that big shop, it will be 50 rupees cost. Why don't you bargain there? Why don't you make it 20 rupees there? Why do you make them suffer, these poor people, those who are suffering to live, those who are suffering to live properly, to earn their basic needs? This is wrong things with our society, okay. Whenever we okay, we go there and we make okay, we bargain with the people, those who are suffering to live properly. But those who live in a high class, then they will only that make a big shop, and there you don't bargain. We don't bargain. Not only, I'm not only including you, even I'm also part of this, okay. So we have to change this. If you can bargain to this poor people, you have to go to this big shop and bargain there also. Otherwise, don't bargain to this poor people. Last day, whenever I went there, I'm not saying to for the sake of praising me, but I did it. Okay, to be frank, I can tell you. Okay, I went to buy banana. Okay, whenever I went there, I wanted not that much that ripen. Okay, almost. Okay, so whenever I checked, okay, but all that banana, they were ripen, okay. So I didn't want much because it will decay easily, okay. So I wanted a few, and whenever we go, I knew that, okay, because some banana they kept separate, because I know that they were the balance, okay, and no people are going to buy that thing. Okay, the people buy only that full that bunch of the banana. Okay, and these were kept separate. I bought them. I bought this banana. They kept separate because later also only was one or two people. That kind of people are going to buy that. Others all look for this bunch of banana only. So I bought that separate one, and they asked me 20 rupees. I gave 20 rupees. I didn't bargain them. Okay, 15 rupees as it is that separated one. Okay, I will give you. Then before that also I went somewhere. Okay. Yeah, I went to buy apple, but it was quite costly. Okay, so I couldn't buy that. Okay, then I asked for orange, and that person, okay, a seller, okay, he told me that he or she, I don't remember. Okay, told me that for two orange, okay, 20 rupees. Then I was thinking that what to do, whether to buy or not. Okay, then they said that 15 rupees, okay, for two oranges. Previously they said that 20 rupees. Then I said that no problem, 20 I will give you. I gave the 20 rupees and I bought the two oranges. See, they were ready to even bargain, but how they live? If they get that 5 rupees, they might bought something whichever their son or daughter like to buy. Their son or daughter, they also living, okay, they are also human beings. They may sometimes want munch or that kind of 5 rupees chocolate, and they might have said to this parent, okay, whenever you come back, buy chocolate for me, like that. Okay, they were in that much desire. Just imagine that if you are in that situation, your father is a fruit seller. Just imagine. Okay, not okay, imagine that your parent is a fruit seller. Okay, he goes and he sells these fruits and all the things. Okay, and you said your parent, okay, to buy something. Okay, anything needed, at least a pen, 5 rupees pen. Okay, because there is no pen for you to write. Okay, you said to your parent, okay, father, to buy a pen, okay, I didn't have any pen, okay, that previous one, it was old, almost destroyed, okay, so I you want to buy new one, okay. So your father agreed that, okay, whenever I get money, I will buy from one. And he's going there and he's selling this. So the customer who comes there, okay, instead of 20 rupees, he is giving only 15 rupees, okay, 5 rupees less. Do you think that you will get that pen? No, you will not, right? Yes. So imagine, the situation, and th- try to change yourself, okay. So think in their from them also, okay, from their side also. Okay, yes. So that's so yes, okay. So parcel demanded price, okay, $5, okay. Yes. So the he wanted to have those birds, but he had only $5. Parcel finalized the deal and handed the cage to his customer. The man asked Parcel if he was not disturbed by the noise. Okay, means whether you don't get disturbed by okay, don't you get disturbed by this bird sounds? He asked to Parcel. Okay, or he asked that, okay, don't you feel that sound? Yes. Parcel however didn't hear any noise. Okay, Parcel however didn't, because he used to it. Okay, he didn't hear any special sound like that. Okay, all sounds were there, but he didn't care it. Okay, he didn't mind it anyway. The stranger then told Parcel that he had earned those $5 after 10 years of hard labor in prison. See, so the stranger told Parcel what? That $5 he earned after hard work, 10 years of hard work in prison. Okay, we know that now also that prisoners, okay, prisoners means, okay, those who do the wrong things only go to, okay, but whenever they go there, they earn money, they do work, okay, they make chapati and they sell it outside, they cultivate vegetables and fruits, they sell it outside, and they even do small works, whatever they can do inside, and they earn money for whatever they do the work. They get money from the that police station, or that's jail, okay, prison. Yes, jail, okay, in our own language we call jail, okay, but prison, okay. So they get that salary from the prison, okay. And he also worked hard and he got only $5 after a hard work of 10 years. He got then 50 cents a year, okay. So he turned around and walked, okay. He got only $5 and 50 cents only, okay, and he spent that 50 cent for some other purpose, okay, anyway. So there was only $5 with him, okay. So he turned around and walked out of the store, okay. Then after buying that doves, okay, couple of doves, okay, he turned around, okay. We know that, okay, whenever after we finish with buying or purchasing, shopping, we go back. Yes. So he turned back and he entered, yes, walk out of the store. Just outside, he held the cage high and drew out one of the doves, and then the second one, okay. So what did he do? He, whenever he entered outside, okay, he opened, he may that set, okay, he hold that cage up, okay, up the air, up in the air, and he opened the cage, okay, he opened the cage and he set one dove free. Then after that the another dove, okay. See what did he do? Yes. So he held the, okay, then he set them free into the air, he set them free into the air. Then he dropped the cage and walked away. Okay, after okay, after the birds are, if the birds are not there in cage, then what's the use of cage? No use. So he dropped the cage out on the, okay, on the way, and he walked away, okay, after setting them free. Parcel stood perplexed. Perplexed means that yes, puzzled or confused, okay. What happened? Why did he do like that? Okay, he spent all whatever he got. Even he told that he after 10 years of hard work, he got this much money, and he spent that to buy the doves, and he set them free. Why we buy the birds and all the things? To keep in our house, okay. But this person, he set them free, okay. He simply wasted the money like that. Parcel stood confused. He wondered why the man had left the birds loose, okay. So he wondered means confused, or thought why the man set them free, okay. Why did the man set them free? Anyway, he felt sort of insulted. Okay, so insulted means attacked by mentally. Okay, insulted means, okay, suppose that someone is teasing you or making laughing at you, you feel insulted, right? Yes, so that kind of insult he got while he was robbing the pets of their freedom. The stranger had spent his total earning on buying and then liberating them. Okay, so what? Why? While he was robbing the pets of their freedom. Okay, so who? Parcel. Her Parcel was robbing. Robbing means we know that robbery, taking something without permission. Okay, so he was robbing means taking the freedom of birds and animals without their permission. Means he was putting putting them inside the cages. Okay, means we are robbing the freedom of the birds and animals. Who? Parcel. At the same time, the stranger had spent all total earning buying and liberating them. Okay, so the stranger spent all the money whatever he got after that hard work of 10 years, and he bought them, then he set them free. Okay, he liberated them means he gave them freedom. That's the story says about. Okay, did you understand? Did you enjoy the story? Now, how many of you are going to set them free, that live animals or birds whom you kept in your cages? No one, huh? Yeah, okay. Just do one thing, make them free. Make them free. If they are pet, or if they are adopted with you, okay, adapted with you, they will not go anywhere. But if they are not, let them be free. Why do you keep them? Why do you steal there? Why do you spoil their freedom? Just set them free. Okay. Yes. So that's it all. That's all about the story. Okay. So thank you so much for listening this interesting story and today's section. Yes. Tomorrow we will meet with another interesting that exercise part. Okay. Tomorrow we will meet with the exercise part. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.